Before we go ahead and do any root cause analysis, let's get an overview of our production. And there are primarily two ways of doing this, and they serve different purposes. That is the dashboards and the process heat map. The dashboards are used for creating customized views by combining various WATS reports, graphs, and KPIs. It is generally used for overarching analysis and daily performance monitoring. So, for example, to compare performance between production lines or keeping track of key KPIs on a monitor at a specific production line. You can use built-in dashboards or create your own and set them to private or shared across your team. For more information about dashboards, look for the articles in the search bar or check out the dedicated video on dashboards. A second powerful way to get an overview of your production is the Process Heatmap. It is an all-in-one view of your manufacturing processes in relation to a given category, like part number in this case. Each cell then provides key metrics for the given part number and process combination, things like first pass yield, common repairs, and frequently failing test steps. Furthermore, the heat map supports AI-driven suggestions by scanning the heat map and surfacing actionable insights without having to dig through the data. This makes the process heat map the ideal place to start for root cause analysis. And in the next video, we'll explore how to use the heat map and WATS Alva in more detail to start identifying issues and tracking them down to the root cause.